Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video, we got this awesome Zamac six pack, which looks absolutely incredible. We got some awesome cars right here. We got the Chevy Silverado Off-Road, 2016 BMW M2, the 1974 Brazilian Dodge Charger, 2010 Ford Shelby GT500 Super Snake, the King Cuda, and the Datsun Bluebird Wagon 510. So this set right here looks absolutely amazing. It's actually the first time for me to see the cars in person, which I'm really excited about that Datsun. But this is a really cool setup. We got some really cool kind of artwork right there with like the cars and everything. That looks super cool. Obviously the same thing right there. But this is the Zamac set. So they are all Zamac cars. And I think they look incredible. Normally I would get a set like this, or at least back, let's say like take it back about like a month and a half, 2 months ago. I would have gotten a set like this and not opened it because it's going to go up in value over time. However, I do have that Hot Wheels 6-Lane Raceway, and this is looking pretty tempting to go ahead and slice it open and do an unboxing of it, take the cars out, check them out, but also to race them. I don't know if the Chevy Silverado would fit on the track, but there's only one way to find out. So let's go ahead and get the knife and slice the steel open and bust these things out and see what they look like in person instead of looking through that little window. Alright. Boom, there we go. So let's go ahead and start off with that Chevy Silverado. That actually looks incredible, and I really love all the decals right there on the whole side. And then the roof, everything is kind of plain, but that thing looks incredible. Also, the gold wheels look really good, especially with that Zamac. Alright, so the BMW has like that traditional BMW kind of colors and stripes down the side. And that looks really good there. I mean, it's kind of cool to see the Zamac cars. And they're obviously not like painted in like fancy normal paint. So, let's say like zinc, aluminum, magnesium, and copper. Something like that. So, it's kind of cool to see like that almost like raw, bare bones, unpainted look. Got the stripes on down the side on that, which looks really good. And then actually it is kind of like super narrow and has like the big tires in the back. Alright, and the Datsun, which I'm really excited about, which I love the design they did on the side of that. It looks really cool. It says Datsun right there, and then the GDML on the back corner. I don't know if you can really see that there in red. And those wheels look really good on there too, with that red trim on the black wheels. And then obviously like the little mirrors up on the front. That's super cool. Let's go ahead and do this one next, which that looks pretty cool. Got the flame decals down the side. So who knows, maybe this will be fastest because it has the flames down the side. I'm just kidding, but that looks really cool. And then obviously like the no hood and everything with the engine sticking out. Man, these cars look really nice so far. And I love how almost all of them have like the colored ring around the rim, but they all have black rims, which is really cool. And this one, I guess, has dark gray. But the Shelby GT500 looks really good. You got those little side stripes there. And then you got the stripes down the hood, roof, and onto the trunk, which, I mean, it is Shelby, so it kind of needs to have the Shelby stripes. But that looks absolutely amazing. Even has like the little Cobra on the front there, with the little GT500 in the red stripe. This is actually like pretty nice. I like the little detail and like all the designs they still put on it. So now we've got these cars unboxed. We got all six sitting right here. So we're going to go ahead and take these over to the 6-Lane Raceway. We're going to race them. Before I do that, definitely go down and put in the comments down below which one of these you think is going to be the fastest. Also, not too sure if that'll fit on the track with how wide it is, but we will see. And even if it doesn't fit on the track, I'll just kind of like set it up on the track and we'll just run it anyway. So like, why not? But yeah, let me go ahead and jump over to the other room. Alright guys, so I have all six cars lined up right here, and a little spoiler alert, the truck, yeah, it doesn't really fit, and I tried putting it up on the edge, and it just kind of does that. So we're going to go ahead and we're just going to take the truck, we're going to just set it up here at the, we're just going to go ahead and take the truck. We're going to set it up at the top of the track here just so that it looks good. And we're going to get all the cars kind of centered in each row. And let's see which one is the fastest out of this Hot Wheels Zamac set. In 3, 2, 1. Wow, that was crazy. So obviously the flames did wonders, and this was the fastest car. And what's that? That's the Plymouth Barracuda, which, oh my gosh, that took the win like nothing. I don't know if it's because the wheels have like those little holes in them or what, but wow, that was impressive. I was actually really hoping for the Datsun, to be honest, but this thing still looks absolutely amazing. But were you guys expecting that to be the winner? All right, guys, so what were you guys thinking about the results? Like, is that what you predicted? Also, like, all 6 of these cars look absolutely amazing, so I am honestly really happy with this set, and now I'll be able to essentially keep this set and kind of have it around. And honestly, the only thing I did was just cut the tape on it. I can still put them back in the box, flip the box open, see the cars. The box is actually in like almost perfect condition, honestly, especially from coming in Amazon, which if you guys want to pick up this set, there's going to be a link in the description down below, because I did get it on Amazon, as well as these Amazon black boxes here behind me, because I do case unboxings all the time. And then this really cool display right here, which I even have more displays and even more coming, but you can pick these up on Amazon, and they're actually really nice quality. They're MDF board, and everything's put together very well. And I absolutely love this. That's why I just keep ordering more of them. But if you guys like this video, definitely get on, hit that like button down below. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. But as always, thank you for watching.